Hey guys, welcome back to RK Garage. Today, it's another Wednesday, going drag racing. We've got EcoJet. Gonna be another night of terrible launches. What's gonna be cool though is my mate's coming down. He actually is my mate who assembled my bottom end for me. So it's cool that he finally gets to go in the car when it's on full power, because the only times before that he's been in it is one, it wasn't tuned when I bought his old forged bottom end, my first forged bottom end that got destroyed, and then after he assembled this one and was on the run-in tune where I was only doing like what 10 psi drives, basically just 30%ish throttle, whatever it was, just modulating it. So he finally got to experience it with the foot flat, which was really cool. But anyway, enough talking, let's jump straight into the videos and then we're going to come back and talk about it. It's going. Fuck, 11, 2, 216. Like that at all. Started to fucking go alright.
Yeah, Bob Verso.
Yeah. Man, that oil pressure scares the fuck out of me when I get off it every time. I need a baffle. That Mustang gone.
Just gonna drive it?
Yeah. I'll let him stage. Yeah, it's always like the other. Man, it's the same Mustang. It was one that didn't go last time. What in the hell happened there? As you guys have seen, I shifted, I felt it go in, the gauge showed it was in third gear, but it just revved to the moon. Who knows what the hell happened there? And then I went to fourth, and it just hit like a kind of limiter, backfired its head off. I went through the log and there was nothing, no trigger errors. There was like launch control wasn't turning on. There was nothing I could find. So who knows what it did there. But yeah. All right, let's keep on going for the rest of the runs of the night. brake and axle, they're fucking wide tyres. Didn't like that either.
That's what it needs to do off the line.
Line, yeah. Oh, you went too far forward. Go back. Okay. Feeling that blowing the tyres off on that one. They just went for it. I think I wasted no time stage. That didn't sink.
Yeah, that was. Like all behind us.
Oh, and a brake hold on the clutch in. There we go. Still want some more fuel ball timing. That didn't sink.
Yeah, that was. Like all behind us.
Oh, and a brake hold on the clutch in. There we go. Okay, so like those last two videos of me talking, it is, what's it today, Saturday, it is 11 AM and this video comes out at 12. So I've got an hour to film this, edit it all, upload it, and do the thumbnail. So I'm hustling, I've been busy. Like, that's a drift car's motor. And also, this here was the drift car's motor. It spun full bearings, essentially. Anyway, so I got a new radiator cap, the EcoJet. It still made stuff drizzle, and then when I opened the bonnet the next day, I found this. So the cap still isn't holding pressure. I might have a look and see if I need a different cap in my overflow. If anyone knows, they can let me. Do I need to have like a pressure relief opening on the cap there, because the rest of it is a sealed unit. technically, I guess. But yeah, so anyway, another night of terrible launches. I wasn't going for anything drastic because this time I had to drive to and from the track. The Misso had night shift, so Hilux was out of use because that's her daily. So that's my tow car. I am getting a tow ball for the FG though, so I'll be able to tow whenever I want with no issues. Yeah, so another night of terrible launches, but what did click between Sam, my mate, and I when we were going over the logs, which I never really looked at that part of the tune, is that where it does bog down, there is ridiculously small amount of timing and fuel. Obviously it's never been tuned for that part of the map because on the dyno it never hits that. And I haven't street tuned it at, you know, 100% throttle, meaning it has no vacuum. It's at 100 kPa, so zero. If you're on a boost gauge or reading 0, you never hit that on a street at where it bogs down, and it bogs down, so it's like reading the part of a map that's 500 RPM or lower, and like 1000 RPM and lower, which is, you never ever see that unless you bog on a launch. So I started to adjust that, I think the last 2 runs, which didn't really help, so it needs some more, but I might have to do some street tests out in Mexico. Just go out there and just keep launching and launching so I can try get it dialed a little bit before the next drags. But anyway, there's nothing exciting, another crappy night. I think I might have maybe 5 more drag sessions in this due to my work schedule before the season closes, and then when it's done, this goes to back to fabrication for something, which you guys will see then, which will be really cool. And then after it's been a fabrication, then it'll be time to go for the record. But so I'm going to leave this one off. Wasn't too exciting. I've got to hustle to get this video out, and then I've got a couple videos probably on the drift car. That's really all I've got to do. I fly to work half a day earlier, so technically it's 1 entire day less that I could do something. Maybe I can film something in the morning, I don't know. So I got to hustle to get 2 more videos done. This is my first one, so I'm going to get to it, get this out for you guys. So if you are watching still here, I do appreciate it. I was literally filming this probably an hour before you're watching, so yeah. Giving me the thumbs up, so liking it, you know, leaving a comment would be nice, and please subscribe. There's more non-subscribers than subscribers. It just helps with YouTube pushing my videos. But anyway, I'm gonna get inside, get this done. I'll talk to you guys soon.